Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're out camping at Eaglevale in the Victorian High Country. It's a bit warm today to say the least. So let's say you're out camping and you've got to do some washing of your clothes. Maybe you've ran out of socks, maybe some smalls, your shorts have got a bit muddy, t-shirt, pair of pants, who knows. If I found a product for you, found it online a little while ago, got it for Christmas to be honest, it's called the Scrubba Bag. Now, requires no electricity, just a bit of water and a bit of human effort and some soap powder. So what we're going to do is we're going to wash some socks, a smelly t-shirt. I've never used one, so this should be an experience for you and for me. So let's open it up and get stuck in, eh? Here we go. Okay, let's open up this packet of the Scrubba Bag. It comes with a set of instructions and it says 6 easy steps for free laundry. That's what we're after, free laundry, because you know we don't want to pay for it. There's not a laundromat around here within Kui. So let's open it up and have a look, see what we get for our money, eh? It's actually designed in Australia. It's an Australian company. It's made in, you know, that place called China. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. It should be a good product because being it's designed here, it's got to be good. Now I've never opened it, so this is an experience for you and for me. So we've opened up the box. There's the bag. There's a Scrubba Bag. And there's our instructions. So what we'll do is we'll obviously follow the instructions together, that's you and me, and it says to basically open it up and have a look. So let's open it up and see what we get. Now I think this is the small one, it's not the large one, but under the little clipsy here, that's a pretty big bag. According to this I can get a pair of smalls in there, a t-shirt and some socks. It's got a little fill line here, so it says what you're using. So if I'm only using a little bit, just turn around so you can see that. So if I'm only doing a t-shirt, a pair of socks and a pair of smalls or undies, whatever you want to call, I fill the water up to that line. If I'm doing 2 t-shirts and 4 pairs of socks, or 4 socks and 2 pairs of undies, I fill up to that line. It's got like a washer board in here, like a little knobbly bit thing here that you can rub your clothes up against. So it's that looks pretty cool. So we might just pop some water in it and see how we go and do some washing, eh? Alright guys, let's give this a crack. I've got a dirty shirt, dirty pair of socks. I've got enough undies for this weekend, so we won't be doing any underwear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop into the bag first and just grab some and pop them in the bag. Now, the pump is a little bit noisy, I'm sorry, but that's the way it goes. And we're just going to fill it up to the line which it says there for what I've got in there. So let's give this a crack and we'll give it a go, eh? Here we go. Alright, that's up to the line. So let's give it a few. Oh, we'll put the soap powder in, I reckon. We'll just put a bit of you know, squishy around, get the clothes a bit wet, I think. Looks the part. So I might put a bit more water in. Here we go. Like we'll do there. So we'll call this the pre-rinse cycle. We'll give it a bit of a squish around before we put the soap powder in, because we don't want the soap powder just sitting on the clothes. We want it in the water, so I'll give that a bit of a squish around, eh? Yeah, that's pretty easy. That's alright, so that's in there. We'll put a bit of soap powder in there and get on scrubbing, eh? Here we go. Okay guys, we're going to roll this up and get it ready. On the side of the bag here, hopefully you'll be able to see that, has instructions on how far to go down to clip it. So roll it to that line there to clip it in. So we'll just do as per the instructions would say. So we'll go 1, we'll just do it as it says, I think. Keep going. Keep going. We're getting there. There, I'm at that line that's marked on there. Clip it over. Just like that, and there's a little valve there, as you can see, so you just undo the valve to release the air out of the bag. Just going to release all that air out of the bag, I would expect, to get the scrubbing action happening. Oh, it's a fair bit of air, really, to be quite honest with you. We're getting it there. Oh. Yep. I'd say that'd be it. Tighten the valve up. That's the valve tight. And you start scrubbing. Now, as I said, there's like a little washboard thing in there, so just that like that. Oh God, this seems like hard work. I reckon there's got to be an easy way of doing it. I know what I'm going to do. I might just use my feet to scrub the bag with, eh? What do you reckon? No, I'll just sit down somewhere there under a shady tree and get this bag I'll work out, alright? Yep, I reckon that's what I'll do. Alright, let's give this bag a workout under the tree that's just over there. Alright, I found that shady tree to do the washing under. Remember how I said before, you know, this just seems like hard work, mate. So I thought, why not just lay it on the floor, pop it on the ground. Hang on, I'll just move the camera down so you can see my feet. Bit more. No, can't see the bag yet. We'll just move the camera down. There we go. I've got my feet in shot. What I might do is just use my tootsies to scrub the washing up. All right, so let's just use my feet. Let's get stuck in, eh? Look at that. And the best thing about camping, you always got helpers. This is my helper. Can't show you her face, she's a dentist. Isn't that right, Janine? Yep. Yep. So she's going to do that for 5 minutes because, is it nice on your footsies? Yep. It is? So, scrub them up and then we'll give them a rinse. And when Janine gets tired, I'll pass it on to somebody else. How's that going, Pete? Is it good on your feet? Oh, beautiful. Can you work it a bit harder because the shirt's a bit smelly, mate? Come on, 3 minutes. Yeah, look at you go. All right, we've scrubbed them all up. I've had my helpers over there and they're all happy. They're all tired. They're all having a bit of a nap now after doing my first cycle for me. So just going to unclip it. Going to give it a rinse. So just get rid of the excess water and let's just say they're a bit grubby, mate. Okay guys, you saw me put the water in the sink. We're just going to run for a rinse cycle. Fill it up to the same line for the water. Fold it as many times as per the instructions say on the bag here for our rinse cycle and just give it a bit of a rinse. Same amount of time really, a couple of minutes or 5 minutes or so. My helpers are all having a sleep, so I'll have to do this all on my own. So we'll just roll it down as per the instructions, connect it and let the air out and give it a rinse. All right guys, that's the scrubber bag in use. How much water did it use? Well, for me, about 5 litres, which is pretty good. That's for a wash and a rinse cycle, so I'm happy with that. Was it easy to use? Yes, it was. Is it convenient? Well, yes, it is. You just get if you go and camp with a few mates, get them to do the hard work, and you know what? They all fall asleep after they've done the washing for you, which is even better, so it makes them quiet and you get more beer to yourself. It's a great product. I'm really impressed with this little thing. It stores, obviously it's going to store very small and easy for the camper, and if you're a bit worried about your water usage, that's the one to go. Alright guys, if you stay to the very end of the video, I'm going to give you a helpful hint on the scrubber bag. When you're finished using it, don't store it wet, turn it inside out, let it dry out, then pack it away. It pays to stay to the end of the video. Alright guys, hit that like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.